find out zero difficulty keywords, you are able to ranking on Google higher in less than 1 to 3 days. So after watching this video, you are able to find out zero difficulty keywords on Semrush. So without any more time wastage, let's jump to video. First, I'm going on Semrush. So you need to just click on keyword overview. So this link I will attach in my video description for easy access. You need to just log in with your Gmail. Keep in mind this is a paid account, premium account. So if you are free user, this is possible to keyword research here. So here are you can type anything here. Example purpose, my main keyword are lab. I want to write a blog post related of lab. So I type here my main keyword. So now I'm waiting for a second for process. So you can see this is global charge volume 3.3 millions and CPC are $0.69. So I just scroll down, then click on view all keywords. Then I'm going to another web page. Now you can see here the lots of keywords and this difficulty 100 and this is 87. You are not able to ranking for this keyword. So just click on carry, then here are type 3, then click on apply. So now you are able to find out 0 to 3 difficulty keywords on Semrush. If you write a blog post using those type of keyword, you are able to ranking on Google higher in less than 3 days. So you can see all the keywords are able to ranking on Google higher. So this is zero difficulty 0 0 0 and everything 1 0. So this is a method how you can find out zero difficulty keywords on Semrush. So if you have found this video helpful for you, make sure like and subscribe this channel. See you again. Take care. Goodbye.